Can you show me the whole layout? Switch off the line width right now.
Okay.
सिर्फ इतना ही जूम करना.
Yes, sir. Hmm.
Okay, so okay, this is fine. So the line which you have drawn as a plane, okay, the line which is supposed to be your plane will be this. Okay, it will be the face of the column. आप इसका section draw करोगे ना तो आपको पता चलेगा. Because what you have just traced out as the outline is not something which I think that is inclusive of balcony and duct, which you have simply traced out. Actual में देखोगे तो ये line actually आपके column की just simple outline. The white line is what will become your new plane line. समझा? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I understand.
The reason is in the section it will become somewhat like this. Okay, this is the first plane which you have. There will be a small bump or a slope like that. And then this is what you will have a ground line. Okay, so this is the new plinth level which you have, and this is the new ground line which you have. Okay, so that the
Yes.
car tire is here, and why this particular bump is created? Why this is essential? Why can't we have a car parking area as the same as the ground level? Anybody? What will happen if we have both the parking area and the ground area on the same level? What will happen? तुक्का तो लगाओ. क्या हो सकता है reason why we have this detail or supposed to have this detail? Why garages and parking cannot be at the same level? या group मैं सबके लिए पूछा. I'm not just asking Simran. This is for everyone because this is again the juror might ask you this. Why we need to have this differentiation? क्या हो सकता है अंदाजा तो करो.
गाड़ी बाहर आ जाएगी.
No. Or what it else could? It is something which is related to weather. चलो first.
पानी भर जाएगा.
हाँ. So
Or
when
like
so when in the rainy situation, okay, when there is going to be a water splashing happening here on the ground level, your tires and car and everything is also protected. Also, the second reason is it will also give you extra time to take out your car in a rainy season and park it somewhere if there is a water clogging happening. Okay, so that's why it is generally. So how much this should be ideally? ये कितना होना चाहिए? मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम आपके अंदर से आपने देखा रहेगा ना. आई एम श्योर यू हैव सीन दिस in your building or some at your friend's house or your relative's house.
0.15 to 0.2 meter.
Yeah. So that is the minimum and max. उससे अगर बड़ा रहेगा ना 200 से तो कार का जो आगे का बम्पर है ना वो डैश हो जाएगा. Okay. So generally it is between 150 mm to 200. Okay. So that is what we are going to see. तो ये समझा आउटलाइन आपको पार्किंग का क्या करना है. That is the first thing. अभी मैं रिपीट नहीं करूंगा और किसी के भी लेआउट को चेक करते टाइम. Okay. If you have not done this properly, you can start correcting simultaneously as we are discussing others. That's not a problem. Keep the CAD file open and keep doing all those corrections. Okay. It could be a continuous polyline or a PL line, we call it. Okay. So the next is can you
So is the polyline with respect to the, so
yeah.
so is this car plinth is similar to the building periphery, or it needs to have a different plinth? Because in the Simran's plan, the building outline looks different and the white line is different. So
Yes.
how do
So,
we
so
place it?
right now, all these plinth will be raised with respect to the face line of the column. So this is one plinth, okay, and this is another plinth. उसका बिल्डिंग आउटलाइन वो ग्रीन वाला है बिकॉज जो टिपिकल फ्लोर प्लान वाला है. ओके, सो उसमें बालकनीज और टॉयलेट शाफ्ट इंक्लूसिव है. Not necessarily toilet shafts and those balconies are taken down on the ground floor, right? Ground floor पे कोई balcony नहीं है, right? ना?
No, sir.
Yes.
Right? So that is how, and then what can be your lobby is what I'm going to draw in yellow right now. Okay, so this whole thing can become a lobby, or rather this whole thing can become a lobby. Okay, so you have a parking at this side. You have a parking at this side. Okay, and you have to start indicating parking. You have to start indicating parking. Parking का size क्या है? Anybody? What rectangle we draw for the parking? What size of a rectangle we draw?
2.5 by 5.
Exactly.
No, 3.
Yes.
3
Yes.
by
No.
3 by.
You are right. This is 2.5 by 5 meter. Why? But इतना बड़ा गाड़ी तो आता नहीं है ना अपना. So what is this 2.5 by 5? Actual car तो आपका इतना ही है.
तो ताकि जब पार्किंग करने के कार का डोर ओपन हो तो दूसरे इसको बम्प कर दे.
Exactly. So this
Side
is
park.
inclusive of your door and your trunk opening. Okay. तो अभी जब हम लोग पार्किंग ड्रॉ करते हैं, that time all these things will be marked like this. Understood? तो आपको ये रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करना शुरू करना है अभी ग्राउंड फ्लोर प्लान में. ओके, सो और स्टेयर के अभी इफ यू कैन जूम इनटू दी योर एंट्रेंस लॉबी. सिमरन, कैन यू जूम इनटू इट? Yeah. Just wait there. Okay, now if you see, अभी आपने इसको बहुत ओपन एंडेड रखा है. The plinth level here will be what? Plus 0.15 or 200, right? जहाँ पे पार्किंग कर रहे हैं हम लोग. This is the parking
Yes.
area, right? समझा ये सबको? What should be the plinth here?
Yes.
It could be same, okay, plus 0.15, or it can be what should be the next. अगर मेरे को एक स्टेप नहीं देना है, 2 स्टेप देना है, तो क्या होगा? What happens if I provided 2 steps to the entrance? कितना होगा लेवल यहाँ पे?
0.450.
कैसे रे? This is for step in section.
2 steps 300
2 steps, तो कितना हुआ? This point
300 mm.
हाँ, क्या रे तुम लोग इतना सोचता है तुम लोग.
सर
इसे
2
मेरे को
स्टेप से
इसका
ज्यादा नहीं प्रोवाइड कर सकते.
You can provide it, but then you will from where, it's very important to understand from where you will enter. For example, are you going to enter into the space from this side? So if you are entering from this side and you wanted to have 3 steps, it is possible. Otherwise, what will happen if I have, let's say, जो हम लोग पुराने बिल्डिंग में देखते हैं ना, staircase के एक direction से entry रहती है. What will happen in that scenario? आपका mid landing जो है ना section में, that will create a problem. तो मैं section में आपको draw करके बताता हूँ. So this is the, let's say, okay, this is the mid landing which I have drawn. Then this is second flight, and then this is the landing I have. Now what will be the floor height here? What will be the floor height here? Floor height कितना है अपना? अपना floor height क्या है अभी? Slab top to slab top. What is the
3
floor?
meters.
3 meter, right? Everyone agrees to this?
Yes.
This height
Yes,
is
sir.
3 meters. So that
Yes,
is,
sir.
again remember this, slab top to slab top. Okay. So what will be the mid landing level here?
1.5.
1.5.
Exactly. So this will be 1.5. इसमें अभी slab thickness कितना जाएगा? If I draw the slab thickness in this, अभी मैंने slab thickness
0.15.
at least minimum 0.15 और 0.25 will go. अभी कितना height हो गया? Clear height will be less than 1.5. 1500
Yes.
minus 150. कैलकुलेट करो, कैलसी ओपन करके कैलकुलेट करो. 1500 minus 150, how much?
1350.
1350.
1350. So what height you get? What you have height you get here is 1350. So that is the height which you will get here. ये level पे आएगा. So can a person stand here comfortably?
No.
Can a person entered through this very comfortably? What is the clear habitable height we required? What is the clear height,
One.
clear opening height for door? आपके डोर का हाइट
2.1.
कितना है?
0.1.
2.1. So the height which is required here is 2.1. तो अभी कोमल, coming back to your question, अभी मैंने यहाँ पे अगर एक स्टेप बढ़ा दिया, 150 और ऐड कर दिए, तो और 1350 में से 150 माइनस करना पड़ेगा. So slowly what is happening, ये पोर्शन जो है वो फिक्स है, ये तो चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. मिड लैंडिंग 150 1500 पे आने वाला है, बट दिस इज द पॉइंट विच वी आर चेंज. ये पॉइंट हम लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं. प्लेन ऊपर आते जा रहा है पर मिड लैंडिंग वहां पे रह गया. सो दैट्स व्हाई. और इसमें भी हम लोग क्या अज्यूम कर रहे हैं दैट दिस विल हैव अ इन्वर्टेड बीम. बीम नीचे नहीं है, समझा ना? अगर बीम नीचे आए तो क्या होगा? और
Yes,
हाइट
sir.
कम हो जाएगी. क्लियर? दैट्स व्हाई जनरली द फर्स्ट मिड लैंडिंग इज ऑलवेज इन्वर्टेड. अगर ये तरफ से एंट्री है तो, जहाँ पे स्टेयरकेस का एरो दिखा है मैंने, इफ यू आर एंटरिंग फ्रॉम दैट. इसलिए मैंने बोला इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल हैव योर एंट्री टू द लॉबी. यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बिकॉज ये पॉइंट पे अपने को हाइट है 3 मीटर पूरा मिलेगा. यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये पॉइंट पे अपने को 1500 मिलता है. यहाँ पे तो अपने को 3 मीटर है क्रॉस जहाँ पे किया अभी मैंने. It's very important. So when you are looking at these layouts, now start imagining that particular point in 3D कि मेरे को वहाँ पे height कितना है. Okay, so that is one thing. So इसके लिए ये lobby को बहुत संभाल के अपने को डिजाइन कर. So what if I have to work out a lobby right now? So if this is what I am getting right now, this is sharp. And this is what I'm getting as a wall plane. ओके सो प्रैक्टिकली अभी मैं रेड में जो पूरा खत्म करूंगा दैट विल बिकम माय लॉबी। तो अभी मैं जो एक आउटलाइन डालूंगा रेड में, दैट रेड आउटलाइन इज माय लॉबी एंड आई एम मार्किंग द एंट्री ऑफ माय लॉबी। Sorry, wrong arrow. With this, so I can enter into a lobby from both the sides. Okay, अभी इसका अभी have you seen any staircase which is like this? What Simran have drawn? There is a wall here. Why that particular wall is provided? Why this wall is there? ये wall की है. The staircase is dog leg and it's a open well stair.
Sir, which wall?
अभी देख रेड में मैंने outline draw किया. I'll just circle it for you. समझा आपको? Right? ये वॉल क्यों है? Have you seen our college staircase? Everyone? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so do you start climbing staircase from left to right?
No, right to left.
Understand the mistake?
Yes, sir.
समझा सबको क्या मिस्टेक है? You always, as far as possible, by a global rule, you should always start climbing. Your first flight should be to the left of you. Then you will turn right for the staircase. Always like this. Okay, so this is something which is wrong right now. Provided, please correct this. It is a very small mistake, but it's very important to understand why it is like that, because our brain is trained in the urban environment like this. When you have your own house, which is a private property, you can easily have the staircase the way you want. There is no hidden path because it's a private uh, design. But because we are looking at something which is a public space, the few norms supposed to be followed. ठीक है, ये समझा आपको क्या है अभी मैंने क्या किया वो? तो अभी अगेन आई गो बैक टू अ वेरी बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट this level, this parking level is, let's say, plus 150. ओके तो ये लेवल और ये लेवल भी सेम होनी चाहिए कि उसमें लेवल डिफरेंस होना चाहिए? अरे हाँ, आंसर तो करो फटाफट. तुम लोग क्या है, बैटरी चेंज करो तुम लोगों का. स्लो आंसर करता है तुम. सेम होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए? अरे व्हाट इज योर डिजाइन? आई थिंकिंग आंसर्स यू अबाउट दिस. पार्किंग लेवल 150 पे है, एक स्टेप अप है, तो ये भी लेवल सेम होनी चाहिए क्या? लॉबी का, एंट्रेंस लॉबी का.
Different.
तो वो
Different
कितना
होना
होगा? So if today if I decided to raise it to as a another, let's say 100, तो ये लेवल क्या होगा अभी, which I supposed to mention in the lobby?
250.
250 exactly. समझा आपको? So the level which are mentioned are always from the ground level, because the ground level is considered here. The ground level is considered plus or minus 0.0 meter level. Understood? सबको समझा ये?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है ये सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what we are intentionally trying to do is we are trying to identify the lobby, entrance lobby, and the entrance lobby, how it can be closed. तो ये जो ओपनिंग्स दो क्रिएट किए वो स्लाइडिंग एंड फोल्डिंग एमएस ग्रिल के वजह से वो क्लोज भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग रात को, और इफ यू पुट अ ग्लास डोर और समथिंग टू इट, इट आल्सो कुड बी एयर कंडीशन, एज सिंपल एज दैट। ठीक है, समझा ये क्या क्या करना है आपको अभी इसमें? सो ऑल्सो सिमरन, इन योर केस this is going to be your shear wall, right? So why
Yes,
this
sir.
is not out of concrete layer? वो magenta color में क्यों नहीं है? Why this is in green?
Uh,
Because it is of the
sir,
same material, right? It's not a masonry wall.
yes,
It's an RCC material column which is cut, just like your C9, C12, and C10 column.
yes.
Okay, so understand that. Okay, what happens to your staircase column? There is no structural system for staircase.
Uh, yes.
Show me the typical floor plan now. Yeah, zoom into that same portion. Yeah, थोड़ा सा zoom out कर. Yeah, you need to resolve this. Huh? See, मैंने क्या बोला था तुम लोग को, जो सेंटर लाइन प्लान रहेगा, सी यू गाइस आर मेकिंग मिस्टेक राइट। जो सेंटर लाइन प्लान है उसमें ही सिर्फ कॉलम और उसकी एक्स बाय वाई साइज लिखनी है। उसके बाद फाउंडेशन, ग्राउंड फ्लोर, टिपिकल, आपको सिर्फ कॉलम नंबर लिखना है, नॉट द साइज विच सपोज टू बी। मैंने बोला था ना ये,
Yes.
यू गाइस स्टिल मेड दैट मिस्टेक। Okay, also check this unit 1240.5. I have already specifically told you it should not be like this. What should be the measurement?
Either 5 or 0.
0, exactly. Just check all your measurement.
Okay, sir.
इसके हिसाब से आपको पूरा सेंटर लाइन, कॉलम्स और सब कुछ शिफ्ट करते रहकर रखना पड़ेगा। Okay, and we have yet not taught you how to dimension, so don't do that, क्योंकि आप रॉन्ग करोगे उसको डिलीट करने को आप और ज्यादा टाइम, so don't do that, don't waste your time in doing this. Okay, और ये ऐसे रैंडमली डायमेंशंस इधर भी बाहर नहीं आते, कुछ जगह पे लाइन के ऊपर है, कुछ जगह पे लाइन से काफी दूर है, कुछ जगह पे सेंटर में है, ऐसे डायमेंशनिंग नहीं होगा। दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टोल्ड यू नॉट टू गेट इनटू दिस। अभी तक सिखाया नहीं आपको डायमेंशनिंग, ठीक है? सो डू दिस करेक्शन, you can leave the meeting or you can keep listening to it and keep working. Okay, resolve this for me.
Okay.
ठीक है, चलो who's next? Thanks.
सर, मुझे स्टेयरकेस के वहाँ पे कॉलम देना पड़ेगा?
देना पड़ेगा, एग्जैक्टली।
Okay.
ऑल्सो दिस बाथरूम, लेफ्ट बॉटम में जो बाथरूम है तूने डाला हुआ शार्प एंड बाथरूम, वो कॉलम प्लेसमेंट भी एक बार वर्कआउट करके देख। कैन दैट सपोज टू बी शिफ्ट लिटिल बिट अप, लिटिल बिट अप
Okay.
मतलब you might have to shift the column here, all this whole column grid will shift little bit up,
Okay.
so that the corner of the building is not cantilever. एक तो वो बाथरूम है, that means the slab is going to be sunken, so the slab is practically going to be folded. देखेंगे construction wise, so in the section it is going to be folded like this slab, so that makes weakens the slab वैसे भी construction. Okay, so और ऊपर से वो कैंटिलीवर हो जाएगा अगर ये पॉइंट में, then it will be a very difficult situation. तो इसके लिए मोस्ट प्रोबेबली पेरीफेरी में बिल्डिंग के you should have a column. The shaft balcony could be easily cantilevered. That's not a problem because it's only a beam construction, so that we can do. So rework on the column grid, okay, where you can just add the staircase, maybe another 1 or 2 columns you can add. That's okay. Or figured out the beam network, how it's going to be supported. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we had a good discussion, in-depth discussion about the beam network. Okay, in the previous, I think in the previous discussion, we already thought about, when we discussed primary, secondary, and tertiary beams. If you remember it, you were there in that discussion, Sandra?
Yes.
Yeah, if you are not there, it's on the YouTube channel right now, so you can see that particular discussion of a primary, secondary, and tertiary. It's only a layman's term, but understand which अभी for example is your this particular अभी देखना ये कॉलम भी देख कोई वॉल के साथ भी अलाइन नहीं है अपने ही लेवल पे उसको किया है तो कैन वी इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ अ कॉलम अ लिटिल इन दैट डायरेक्टली ओके तो ये थोड़ा सा करो सेंटर लाइन जब तक खत्म नहीं होगा आपका कॉलम प्लेसमेंट कॉलम को प्लीज नंबर मत करो क्योंकि वो बार बार
Okay.
करने से आपका टाइम ही वेस्ट हो रहा है first get that your column placement and center lines are approved and then we can discuss about the how we should be numbering them that is what we are don't waste your time right now numbering column tags ठीक है
Okay, sir.
okay ठीक है anything else you want to ask
सर जो शाफ्ट है वो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे दिखेगा?
नहीं दिखेगा unless and until you want that shaft to be on the ground floor जैसे ही शाफ्ट ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे आएगा तो आपको एक सर्विस डोर भी देना पड़ेगा
Okay.
because somebody supposed to enter into the lift shaft for the maintenance आप खुद देखो आपके बिल्डिंग का डिटेल कैसे है and adopt to that detail very simple
Okay.
ठीक है मेरे हिसाब
Yes.
से फॉर सच अ लो राइज बिल्डिंग राइट नाउ you should not consider taking lift shaft till the ground level if you have a high-rise building, okay, or a mid-rise building, it is advisable to have the lift shaft till the ground level with the service door. So there will be a service door which will always open outside, not inside. Okay, it will always open outside. Okay, क्योंकि अंदर pipe है, you cannot open a door. Inside there are going to be soil waste pipe, water supply pipe, drainage pipe, surface drain of pipe. So there are going to be 4 to 5 such pipes there. So आप door अंदर की तरफ नहीं खोल सकते. It will always open outside, and it is very rarely used. So that's not a problem. Okay. तो ये चीजें in a mid-rise or a high-rise में possible. In your case, shaft may not come down till the ground level. Okay, this is for everyone. This is just the information I'm just sharing with you so that right now अगर आप अभी भी लेके गए तो भी कोई problem नहीं only the little bit of a cost will be increased.
Okay, sir.
Okay. थोड़ा बराबर से खत्म करें unnecessary information add मत करो dimension delete करो column numbering sizes delete करो just only wall column room sizes should be there that's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. ठीक है who's next Simran, if you want to leave, you can leave and keep working. That's not a problem.
Sir, I'll wait for one more discussion.
Yeah, okay. You can switch off your videos and keep working. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Yes. Would you like to share it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this dash line is what? Chhajja.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which avoids that. Your internal walls also have to have a same line weight. जो अभी orangish color में है ना
Yes, sir.
that's supposed to be also green. Layer जो है wall external that same layer has to be there for the internal wall also. See because it's the same material. अभी आपने देखो एक्सटर्नल वॉल के लिए ग्रीन कलर इस्तेमाल किया जिसका लाइन वेट आई एम श्योर इट्स मोर देन 0.3, ये अलग कलर में है जो C6 कॉलम के इधर है। देन लिफ्ट के इधर जो मैसनरी है वो अलग कलर में लेयर में वापस। यू डोंट हैव टू क्रिएट अननेसेसरी लेयर, you don't have to.
Okay, sir.
Because it's a
Yes.
same material which is cut in plan, so it will be represented by the same layer. If one of the wall is brick and one of the wall is stone, yes, then we'll go for a different layer, because now there are another material which is introduced. Hence, the layer representing it will be different.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I
Yes, sir.
also suppose this C4 column, okay, which you C4 column extreme right here.
Yes.
That column need to be relocated. As I said, these columns should always be within the building outline, which is a plinth line which you are drawing for the parking right now. अभी आप जैसे ये शाफ्ट के यहाँ पे जहाँ पे अभी आपने कॉलम लिया है C4, if that column is provided, what will happen is this much of area of a shaft right now जो मैंने अभी highlight किया, that area will be considered into a built up shaft. Balconies are the areas which are free of FSI. Please understand this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Plus there is no
Yes, sir.
slab in the shaft, right? You have crossed it. You have made a cross there. That means there is no RCC slab construction, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All the pipes and everything are going to go down. Plus the ventilation is supposed to be taken care of. So hence we don't require a RCC column there. The structurally it will be stabilized by using the column and masonry or whatever jali pattern or precast jalis which you wanted to use. That will be done there. So the column should be this. Okay, and then because
sir.
now you have a column here, the column is well within this. Okay, you might require another column. Then the line which I'm going to draw right now is yellow. Okay, will be only a
Yes, sir.
समझा भी आपको? तो इसका बीम नेटवर्क
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
होगा? अभी जो मैंने स्लैब ड्रॉ किया, it will be this. There will be a beam here. Then there will be a beam here. That will be beam. So what we will get right now is this one as slab casting. There will be one slab casting here, and then there will be another beam which will be going from here to here. There will not be any slab casted at the shaft level.
Yes, sir.
What beams you will have are these. These are cantilever beams now. जो मैं balcony का draw कर रहा हूँ, those are all cantilever beams. Okay, and this blue slab will be cantilever.
Yes, sir.
समझा? This is how it
Yes,
things
sir.
are going to construct it. So when you are doing all this column placement and beam layouts, consider how it's going to be seen in the reflected ceiling slab. Right? I think everyone knows what is reflected ceiling plan. आपको interior में कभी तो आके गया नहीं. So that is how it's seen from once you are looking up in the towards the slab. Okay, तो ये बीम नेटवर्क ऐसे दिखाई देगा. तो of course the depth of the beam will be different. हम लोगों ने एक thumb rule discuss किया था. What was the thumb rule for the beam depth calculation? Now how you gonna cantilever this slab? किसको पता है? Beam depth calculation का thumb rule for RCC, conventional RCC. How to calculate beam depth? So how are you thinking that it is span by 10. Okay, the span is in mm and then it is divided by 10. So when I'm saying beam depth, okay, make sure that this is slab and this is beam. So when I'm talking about beam depth, the beam depth is from here to here. Not from here to here. Okay, this is wrong. This is right. Samjha? This is for
Yes, sir.
everyone basically. So when we are calculating, for example, now the span is let's say 3500. So what will be the beam depth?
350.
350. Very simple. So the 350 is calculated from
3500 divided by 10.
10. So it will be from here to here. Slab top to beam bottom. Okay. Understand this. All the calculations which we are doing, all the measurements which are doing, all the dimensioning which we are doing for working drawing is from unfinished to unfinished. Okay, so it doesn't include plastering, it doesn't include screeding, it doesn't include tiling or dado work. It doesn't involve anything. Okay, I'm just giving lot of information. Make sure that अभी ये thumb rule में already last semester discuss कर लिया. You can't forget this because when you are constructing sections, you will record this thumb rule. I'm saying it's just a thumb rule. It doesn't mean that कि वो वैसे ही होता है. When I'm saying it's a thumb rule, that means जब RCC reinforcement designing होगा, there should be a manipulation. ऐसे जरूरी नहीं कि वही follow. अभी just check how many center lines you have on the same wall.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is easily possible that you can have C7, C11, C13 aligned with C3. Easily possible है align करना. आपका डोर ओपनिंग जो है वो सिर्फ शिफ्ट होंगे, which is a shift in mesh.
Yes, sir.
वो चल जाएगा, that's not a problem. और कितने 3 सेंटर लाइन आपकी कम हो जाएगी. You have very successfully done that here for C2, C6 and C10. You have done that already.
Sir.
Okay, so make sure that you do that there. समझा आपको? Also, अभी जो मैं
Yes,
lines
sir.
draw करने वाला हूँ, all these lines, balcony lines will be in elevation. Okay, so this particular lines which you have drawn along this will be in elevation, both the lines. Why these lines should be in elevation? Can anybody tell me? Mubashir is here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me why these two lines should be in elevation.
So, because those lines don't cut
Yeah.
in the plan.
Why those lines don't cut? What is the height of the parapet? Because
1 meter.
maximum 1 meter, and
1
we
meter.
generally cut plan at what level?
1.2 meters.
Exactly. So that is the reason why we have this line should be always in elevation. तो आप उसको मेसनरी में भी करोगे तो भी वो एलिवेशन में आएगा, आप ग्लास में करोगे तो भी वो एलिवेशन में आएगा, अगर आप उसको एमएस में करोगे, टिम्बर में करोगे, ऑल द लाइंस विल बी इन elevation. Okay, so remember this lines will be there. Also when you are providing shaft, make sure that you give a hint of a opening. Okay, Jason, can you zoom into the shaft area, any shaft, little bit? But yeah, that's fine. So right now, if you are looking at this particular wall, okay, so if, for example, I'm just making it solid right now so that you can understand that. This wall will also be solid. Okay, now we can have ventilation to this space from this. Okay. Light and ventilation. Okay, so now this line should be considered as an elevation line, isn't it? Because it's an opening, the way you are showing opening to your Windows W10. But here it will be a opening or there could be a jali. Okay, so there could be a jali work.
So the opening can be from both sides, then why only from one side? The why is the
Yeah,
other.
it could be from any side. It's your design. It's up to you. But in this scenario, okay, in this scenario, we required this wall as a dead wall. Why you required this wall as a dead wall?
balcony.
Because we have a balcony there. The privacy of the toilet should be maintained. So this wall will be a dead wall. Rest of the there could be a corner opening also. You can design the opening as a corner as well. तो ये ऐसे corner window की तरह भी आप design कर पाओ. So Komal suggestion is right. ठीक है ना, समझा ना? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
At this point, because you right now you are showing everything as a solid wall, which is not the case actually. Okay, all the windows tag should be outside the building. मतलब आपका जो window tag है वो actually यहाँ पे आना चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
All the windows tag should be outside. Most of the column tag should be outside. All the peripheral. Okay, so that the inside space is used for dimensions, descriptions, and other information. Clear? Shaft समझा सबको अभी है? Okay. Other corrections remains the same. अभी ground floor plan बताओ मेरे को. इसका किया है आपने कैसे?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this line which you have indicated as a plinth line, as a peripheral line, right now it's right, but it's supposed to be in elevation, isn't it? Why you require such a
Yes.
plinth line? Supposed to be. Zoom into a lobby. It's good that you got to, get this particular line right at least. So now we required this as a lobby. Now this lobby is not designed or it is not gated right now. So you will require a wall somewhere. So you might require a wall here. Might require a little bit of a wall here. Okay. A wall here, and then you can of course design the opening from here as well as from here. Then there will be maybe another line as an elevation to indicate this as a step. That's it. So this is done. Always show the indication of a indication of a staircase from where you are going to walk, and then mention it as a. So as we have discussed, all the staircases, dogleg staircases, are going to start from your left and you are going to climb it to the right. Okay, all your lobbies, staircase lobby, lift lobby is supposed to be naturally lit and ventilated or air conditioned. Hence, this surface could be easily anything. It could be a jali, it could be opening with the grill, or this could be open without any protection. That is also possible. Clear? और ये lift को cross करना पड़ेगा आपको. That means there is no slab. जैसे आपने shaft को cross किया है ना, that indicates that there is no slab. वैसे इसको करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, चल वो खत्म कर ले. So otherwise this is fine. Just add the level for the parking levels and adding the parking वाला. ठीक है. Otherwise,
Yes.
few things are there which you can update. Yeah. Anything else you want to ask?
Sir, I have a question. फ्लोर पे चलेगा ना?
क्या क्या?
शाफ्ट ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे रखा है ना?
Then you देख अभी इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा तेरे को? Try to push this particular column somewhere here.
हाँ.
Okay, so that you don't have to take shaft down. अभी this outline ये line जो है अभी तेरा वो line यहाँ से straight हो सकता है या यहाँ से straight हो सकता है.
Yes.
Okay, it cannot be this angle में नहीं जाएगा, गलती से भी मत करो वैसा. So either it always has to be something which will go straight. या ऐसे it cannot be an angle. कभी if you drive four wheelers, you know what this thing will do to your car. अगर आप शाफ्ट नीचे तक लेके गए तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर फिर ग्राउंड फ्लोर के प्लान में हर एक शाफ्ट में एक सर्विस डोर दिखाना पड़ेगा. Rework on it and we can have another discussion. That's not a problem. Just rework on your column placement on the typical floor plan first. और इसके लिए मैंने बोला था कि ये जो कॉलम प्लेसमेंट है ना, ये सारे कॉलम को सिलेक्ट करके इसका भी एक ब्लॉक बना. तो अभी आपने टिपिकल रिवाइज किया तो अपने आप ग्राउंड फ्लोर रिवाइज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so do those corrections. Otherwise, yeah, 80% is almost right. 20% you have to work. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
सर
Yeah.
सर जब हम लोग ग्राउंड फ्लोर प्लान में प्लेंथ दे रहे हैं तो फिर जो ऑफसेट्स है उसको जहाँ पे पॉसिबल है वहाँ पे इक्वल नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज पार्किंग होती है तो फिर क्योंकि वो बीच में है स्टेयरकेस एंड लिफ्ट, तो वो दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाती है. तो
So
फिर
that's why you
उसके
have to
लिए
start drawing the rectangle of parking, na, so that you understand how many four wheelers you can park actually. जो जहाँ पे वो rectangle नहीं बैठेगा, those parking will be allotted for two wheeler parking.
सर बट बिकॉज लिफ्ट एंड स्टेयरकेस वाला जो पार्ट है, लॉबी वाला पार्ट, वो सेंटर में है, तो जो भी पार्किंग हो रही है या तो फिर उसको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, एक उस साइड में या और एक इस साइड में.
Yeah, मतलब as per the placement of your staircase. And it's not necessary that your entrance lobby has to be a rectangle or whatever we have seen till now. You can have a big entrance lobby as well where people can sit down, people can chit chat. If there is some kind of a unloading supposed to be happen, it could happen in that. So, abhi mein filhal, because we are looking at a very small residential project, okay, and it's a low-rise project, so the smaller entrance lobbies are preferable. But if you are looking at a mid-rise or a high-rise building, the entrance lobbies are luxurious. They have a luxury of space because they have a reception, they have a security guard, they have a surveillance cabin, they have a sit-out space, they have a water dispenser, toilet in the reception. So these are the few additional ancillary facilities which will get attached to as your lobby gets extended. आप कभी commercial building के lobby में जाओगे तो आपको समझेगा what other things are required there. They have a baggage counter, they have changing rooms because the staff is entering through it in the commercial space. So there are a lot of other ancillary space, but you guys are doing a very simple minimum scale project of a low rise. So I don't think so. But lobby you can still make it luxurious. That's not how you can make a L-shape entrance lobby. You can have any kind of a shape. And the advantage is the building is on the wall construction is for the entrance lobby is going to be on the ground level. So you don't have to worry about the alignments because whatever beams will be created will be within the वो दिखेगा भी नहीं किसी को. So you can have a curve shape, you can have a staggered line as an entrance lobby. It's up to you what you can explore. ठीक है? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. वैसे पहले center line resolve करो and very quickly then you can just pitch in for a discussion. That's not a problem.
Yes, sir.
Komal, you want to share this screen?
Ground floor plan or floor plan?
Show me the ground floor plan, please. Zoom out करके zoom in करके. You can use the command pan. तो pan कर सकती है. तो देख हाथ आएगा. You can pan the drawing. Yeah, just wait here. Yes, so in this, Komal, I think you have just identified how your lobby is going to be, but I think yeah, I think you will need so this is going to be the entry.
No, sir.
Then,
The entry can be from here or from here.
so that is what the control you want in planning, right?
No, I'll have to keep one side closed, but there are two possibilities of entry. After putting the plan on the site, I can decide where I want the entry from.
Yeah. So the rest of the space supposed to be closed, then. मतलब at least by using a parapet.
So this is closed space. There is a rooms. There are rooms over. Okay.
No, there are no rooms. Where are the rooms?
Hmm. No. I was thinking of the first floor plan,
Oh,
so the
yeah.
wall is already there.
So it could be a jali what we have drawn just now. Okay, it could be a jali also. That's not a problem. समझा ना? होगा? So as you are saying, the way you will place it onto the side, you can take a call on this. Otherwise, अगर आपने ये नहीं किया तो people will park the car there and enter from anywhere. And at the night, it's become very difficult to then protect it or close it or put it for the surveillance. It's become a little bit difficult. So wherever you have an entry, Komal, or for others also this is valid. Okay, you can think of creating an entrance canopy. Entrance canopy. अगर एंट्रेंस कैनोपी नहीं रहेगा तो क्या होगा? It is not protected, for the weather protection. Then बारिश डायरेक्टली अंदर आ जाएगी और आपकी लॉबी वेट हो जाएगी, या धूप में भी if just imagine that it's a hot summer day and you are just standing here, okay, and if it doesn't have a shade, you will not feel comfortable. Imagine that now you are 70-year-old now. What will happen? So that at least these lobbies will have a circulation like this, okay, in your site plan, where the rickshaws and everything will drop you off or pick you up, or Ola Uber cars like that, and then you will go. So hence you need to have at least this as the entrance lobby. Sorry, this is as the entrance canopy. Okay, at least let's say a 2 meter to 2.5 meter kind of entrance canopy that is required. I think everyone have to identify the entrance to your ground floor lobby very importantly, because then you will add a canopy to it. Okay, if required. Otherwise, most of the time the placement of the placement, for example, if I with the same layout, if I do this, I create this as my entrance. I say this is my entrance lobby. Okay, and now my entry is from here to here. I'm entering from here. That is also possible, right, Komal?
So, but there is staircase over there.
Where? So that staircase I'm
So-
consuming, na? The shape of the lobby is a rectangle is like this now. But what will happen once I do this? One of the parking will be compromised now. One of the four-wheeler parking. ना ये parking जो है तेरा for C34 is compromised, near to the column C34 is compromised. Okay, understand this. Parking का रेट कितना है अभी? बिल्डर बेचता है ना parking. So there will be a loss for him for 1 lakh, 3 lakh, something depending upon the price of that particular. So that is what I'm saying. It will give you a hint कि फिर अगर मैंने ये entrance किया और मैंने ये भी entrance किया, for example, if I also have this as an entrance, and then I'm saying I'll draw the canopy. Let's say it will eventually become a canopy actually. Don't have to make it because इसके ऊपर slab आ रहा है ना already first floor का. So this green portion will automatically become a canopy. So it's a very important placement on the ground floor. That's why we are spending time into finding proper lobby configuration. It's very, very important because this is what it will trigger. Details. ये detail sections पे impact करने वाली चीज है. So you will have at least, you can also have a canopy like this, a very small canopy from here. May not be a full canopy.
So is there a need of canopy because the lobby is 9 by 3?
Yeah, but your staircase steps which you have provided are here, na? अगर ये same
Yeah,
staircase इधर होते थे तो कुछ problem नहीं था,
okay.
because they are already protected by the slab above. पर अभी आपका staircase
Okay.
steps ही बाहर चला गया ना, those are not protected. Just imagine a rainy situation.
Hmm.
आप छाता लेके बाहर आओगे तो अगर immediate नहीं रहेगा तो immediate, if you don't have a canopy, this area is wet otherwise.
So then, sir, I can change the positioning of the staircase instead of adding material for canopy.
Yes, you can. Yes, that would be a smart decision. So rather than projections, you are looking at the void. Depression हो रहा है ना तेरे building के face line में. That you can try. That's not a problem. ठीक है? Mention the levels also.
Yes, sir, about the levels. If this is on the
Zero,
ground
zero.
level 0, if it
Plus.
comes on the level 0.2 steps up, sir, but the lift, when we are constructing a lift, तो वो sir नीचे भी तो depression होता है. Like the
हाँ.
lift does not. हाँ, so what will be the level for the lift?
So lift के लिए I would suggest you to go to a Otis or Star Lift. Okay, and you can find the ready-made CAD sections or PDF files of their section. Depending upon the elevator car which is going to be used as a lift or uska weight, the depression will be calculated. So right now you can consider that depression as, let's say, 1 meter for your drawing sake. You can consider that as the 1 meter depression. So this will be minus 1.0 meter level here. Right now, because we are not structurally calculating it, I'm just giving you a random number. Okay, but engineers will calculate it, and then the sections become somewhat like this, because you have these two pedestal which will have a spring. Okay, ये spring भी है because if the lift car broke and it collapsed, it will at least try to absorb the shock of it or the impact of it. Okay, so there are a lot of other details. Also, because it is based on the counterweight technology, that weight also have to go down. When your building will go, lift will go to the top floor, the left will be partially below the ground. वो सारा टेक्निकल है. इसके लिए ओटिस और स्टार के वेबसाइट पे जाके उसके रेडीमेड सेक्शंस देखो, पैसेंजर लिफ्ट फॉर रेसिडेंसेस. ओके, तुम लोग को लिफ्ट का मैं एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत क्लियर देता हूँ, बिकॉज राइट नाउ वी हैव दैट सेक्शन. Komal have also drawn it wrongly. What I am drawing right now is the shear wall, which is made out of concrete. Okay, this is made out of shear wall. Then you are also going to have few masonry work happening. Always you will have some masonry, which is 150 mm thick or 115 mm thick. Okay, अब ये मैसनरी हो सकता है क्या? कोमल ने जो व्हाइट लाइन ड्रॉ किया है उसके हिसाब से राइट नाउ देयर इज अ नो स्लैब हियर. तो ये मैसनरी खड़ा कैसे रहेगा अभी जो मैंने ग्रीन में ड्रॉ किया हो? फेविकॉल से कोई एडहेसिव लगाएंगे. So what is practically the RCC slab line is this. I'll draw it in white so you'll understand. समझा? तो ये जो प्लिंथ का जो स्लैब है, ओके, वो स्लैब कंस्ट्रक्ट होगा इतना. समझा? so that you can construct a masonry on top of it, plus you can have a whatever the जो भी elevator car का जो भी doors है उसके tracks जो है, those you can construct, and the actual lift is going to be within this. Actual lift car is going to be within this. समझा कोमल तूने क्या मिस्टेक किया?
मुझे एक्सप्लेनेशन समझा, मिस्टेक नहीं समझा।
तूने जो लाइन है ना, वो लाइन यहाँ पे रखा है, मैं अभी जहाँ पे क्रॉस किया हुआ है। रादर योर लाइन शुड बी दिस एज अ स्लैब। स्लैब कहाँ पे कास्ट होगा? तो इतना स्लैब कास्ट होगा, जो रेड लाइन अभी मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ। In the section, चल, I'll draw the section so that you will understand. Okay, this is for everyone. So if this is my plinth slab, okay, इसका जो beam है वो beam यहाँ पे आएगा ऐसे, पर this is little bit projected outside, inside the lift. Okay, this is the lift which I have here, lift shaft. Okay, why this is required? So that you can construct the masonry on top. या आप अगर कोई भी अभी भी गूगल करोगे ना लिफ्ट सेक्शन, तो भी आपको ये पता चल जाएगा व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू ड्रॉ हियर। ओके, सो दिस स्लैब इज लिटिल बिट इनसाइड लाइक 150 or 175 or so based on the masonry which you wanted to have. And why we also required this masonry is also a question, because आपको हमेशा वो switches लगाने हैं जो हम लोग दबाते हैं तो लिफ्ट आती है जाती है, तो वो हम लोग आरसीसी वॉल रहेंगे तो उसमें नहीं कर पाएंगे। For that you require a masonry somewhere, so that you can then put all the electricals in the masonry, all the conduits and everything can go into a masonry construction, and then you can simply plaster it or clad. So that is how it is going to be. Okay, so ये same section आपको same जो भी आप कंस्ट्रक्ट करोगे that will be done for the typical floor plan as well, because okay, so that is what. Show me the typical floor plan again, Komal. Yeah, so go to the lift again, so you will understand what is supposed to happen. Okay, zoom into a staircase, lift, sorry, yeah. So now where the slab should end, Komal, in the lift, if you can draw. Draw the slab end line and cross it. Cross where the slab will not be casted.
The slab will end over here.
Okay. So if I can clear your drawing. Okay. So it will be from here to here. Slab will be cast like this.
Yes.
And then there will not be
Yes.
a slab here. Understood this? Because now this is very crucial so that you can build the masonry work here on this slab. Otherwise वो अंबुजा सीमेंट वाला या एमआरएफ टायर वाला नहीं खड़ा रहने वाला, ब्रिक पकड़ के. This is very, very crucial because this will also correct your section. The section beam network is going to be somewhat like this. ये थोड़ा सा अंदर आएगा ना, top of that you are going to construct the masonry, जिसमें सब switches और shifters हैं. Look at a very standard. If you Google it also, you will understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. Zoom out a little bit. Let's look at the typical floor plan again. Yeah, just wait. Your balconies provided now are still on as a single line. Why?
So वो तो सिर्फ बालकनी का ग्रिल दिखेगा, इसलिए मैंने वो सिर्फ थोड़ा
ग्रिल भी
thickness
बहुत पेपर थी नहीं रे ग्रिल. Grill will also have a thickness. It's not a problem. See, it's very important. अभी मैं आपको section से इंडिकेटिव बताता हूँ वो कैसे होता है. In the section, if this is your inside slab, okay, balconies and toilet will have a sunk, right? There will be a sunk like this, and then there will be a beam which is constructed like this. Remember this section now. Okay, so this is your living room. This is your balcony. अभी क्या होगा, ये डिप्रेशन है. So what will happen is you will still build a masonry here. तो ये दो पॉइंट्स तो आपको दिखाई देंगे ना कोमल, ब्रिक.
Yes, sir.
So that's why this should be at least 230 का offset here. Now can you draft the offset inside?
Yes, sir.
You will understand that the door is not possible now. Detail.
Yes. Door का size कम करना पड़ेगा.
No, but then you can
Yes, I'll have to provide a sliding.
yeah, French windows you can have them.
Okay.
You can also go for sliding and folding window. If you are not liking the sliding window, you can go for the sliding and folding window. Okay.
So also, if I have placed a column over here, I cannot, if the center line is getting added, the column placement was initially here, but this entire portion would have been cantilevered plus this.
Yeah, so
So,
that is
I
not favorable. That is not favorable. That will increase the cost of the construction because in totality, this much of slab will get cantilevered.
So then what should I do?
What you have done is right now. You have a C19 column.
But sir, when I'm making the beam layout,
Hmm.
if this column was placed here, it was easy to make this layout. But
Ah,
now it's over here.
so now
So-
you have only this much of area as a cantilever.
Sir, but how will the beam layout work then at this area?
Yeah. So right now, as per your placement right now, the beam network will be like this. You will have a beam from here to here, another beam from here to here, beam from here to here. Okay, and the cantilever beams I'm drawing in blue. समझा? This is how it's going to look then. And also of course this beam will be there. अभी इसमें से संक कौन से बने? The sunk area will be, let's say, pink में करता हूँ मैं. Yeah, the sunk area will be this. समझा कोमल?
हाँ sir.
अभी इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम तुम लोगों ने क्या किया, बेडरूम के हर एक वॉल को विंडोज देने के लिए ट्राई किया. That will not be the case. Once you have this full length French window, W12 become the full height French windows, you may not require W14.
W14.
इमेजिन करो ना इसका वार्डरोब कैसे रहेगा, इसका बेड पोजीशनिंग कहाँ पे रहेगा. So bedroom generally will not have more than one window. आप जितना विंडोज बेडरूम को दोगे ना, उतना आपका प्राइवेसी हमेशा कंसर्न होते जाएगा. Also the
Sir, I
unit.
had a question.
Yeah.
So why do you provide sunk for balcony?
Because आप टॉयलेट में सन क्यों देते हो?
सर्विसेज के लिए.
तो बालकनी में क्या सर्विसेज आता है
Drainage.
बालकनी में?
Yes.
हाँ, बारिश का पानी अंदर आता है.
तो क्या उसको ड्रेन आउट करने के लिए हम लोग क्या इस्तेमाल करते हैं? What we provide to collect water and drain out water afterward?
Nanny trap.
Exactly. So there will be a nanny trap. To provide a nanny trap, we supposed to do again a waterproofing or that's it. Unless and until you have a traditional method which is like a gargoyle or the water spouts. Okay. Also, why we required sunk is for a very urban concern which we have. Okay. If I draw these sections, you will understand. ओके बारिश का पानी जब यहाँ पे गिरेगा ना अभी व्हाट हैपेंस इफ वी डोंट प्रोवाइड अ सन अभी मैं सन डिलीट करता हूँ ओके किसने सवाल पूछा ये अभी
Mubashir.
या मुबशिर so it's a brilliant question I'll tell you how what happens if I have this as a scenario
पानी अंदर आएगा.
exactly you have a French window right you don't have
Yes.
extra time to save your thing in that scenario मुंबई का बारिश कैसे गिरते कितना कभी कभी दो तीन कंटिन्यूस दिन चालू रहते हैं ना बारिश फिर आप क्या करोगे आप फिर टारपोलिन लगाओगे बाहर राइट सो अगर हम लोग जब भी बिल्डिंग्स में ये चीजें देखते हैं ना कि टारपोलिन लगाना पड़ा है या पतरा ऐड करना पड़ा है लोगों को वहाँ आगे दैट इज द फेलियर ऑफ एन आर्किटेक्ट because he have not considered splashing of rain. He have not considered that how people will encroach the space, and that's why the sunk is provided for the balcony. So it is not only concerned or related to the services which are provided, but because we are in such scenario अगर आप ये similar चीजें फॉर एग्जांपल आप अहमदाबाद में करोगे do you have to provide the sun there in Ahmedabad or Bhuj for that scenario you will not because the climate there doesn't have rain only जो मुंबई का है so for that reason you may not have a balcony so in Ahmedabad you can easily say that what section I will have is you will have a slab like this you will have beam or maximum you will have a 150 ka or 100 ka level difference just to distinguish between two spaces that's it that is the purpose of it. Okay can you have a balcony in Cherrapunji do you know where is Cherrapunji what Cherrapunji is famous for
It was famous for highest rainfall.
highest rainfall in the world will you have the balcony in the design there you will not have because आप कितना भी प्रिपरेशन करो वहां पे आप बारिश के पानी को water logging is bound to happen hence if you look at the Konkan houses and everything why slope is preferred is for the same reason to drain out the rain off very quickly and once all these smart people in city architects come there and design the flat terraces there what have happened is उसके बाद similar अभी पत्रा आना start हो गया because we cannot provide RCC slab there it is going to leak okay it's going to create a seepage the reason is very simple because वहां पे पानी रुकता है और कोकण में अपने को डिजाइन सोल्यूशन चाहिए स्लोपिंग जहाँ से रेनफॉल फटाक से निकल जाएगा that is how it should be done so yes this is the solution generic solution considering a sunk of a 150 or 200 okay is a generic solution where there is a range so we can do it for Bangalore we can do it for Pune Nasik Mumbai Thane all these regions but if you for any cities in MP पर जहाँ पे dry climate है we are not supposed to sunk the slab for the bulk थोड़ा सा डिजाइन में चले गए बट नॉट नेसेसरी रिक्वायर्ड बट जस्ट टू आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू अदरवाइज आपको लगेगा हर जगह पे बालकनी को सन करना है ठीक है एनी क्वेश्चंस कोमल यू हैव
No, sir.
Okay, so you can correct it. Okay, that's not. I think your font which you have used is of a different font.
I'll correct it.
Yeah, please do that. Okay. ये it is not wrong, Komal. Why I'm enforcing right now to follow the template is because otherwise the juror will get disturbed. Every sheet have a different form, every student have a different formatting. उसको वो जज करने को टाइम लगता है. जैसे टेम्पलेट चेंज होता है तो he will also take some time to understand the fonts and its variation. इस तरह. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, maybe. Again, still the lobby is not defined. क्या लॉबी हो सकती है अभी इसमें? So, अभी ये तो पता है this supposed to be a part of a lobby. This can also be a part of a lobby, or you can extend it till here. So this whatever shape it is there, it becomes the part of a lift lobby. Figured out your entries and everything, and then you can construct lobby.
Yes, sir.
Show me the typical floor plan. यहाँ पे थोड़ा जूमिंग कर ये कॉर्नर पे. वेट थोड़ा जूम आउट कर और थोड़ा जूम आउट कर. Why this column is this C13 column is abruptly placed? Why it is not placed like this? Why it is not aligned with the wall? That is what I'm asking. अभी ये जैसे आपने अलाइन किया है ना, so now what happens if okay, अभी ये जो है तो ये वॉल को यहाँ पे अलाइन करना. लिविंग रूम का जो वॉल है और ये बालकनी को थोड़ा सा और एक्सटेंड कर देके करना है.
Yes,
जैसे ये
sir.
नीचे वाले अपार्टमेंट में किया ना तूने, सिमिलर वे.
Yes, sir.
अभी नीचे के केस में भी अगर आप ये वॉल यहाँ पे है तो मेक श्योर दैट योर दिस वॉल इज अलाइन्ड. आप देखो ना वो एलिवेशन में या 3D में वो कैसा साइड बैक या ऑफसेट दिखाई देगा. Things supposed to be aligned in a particular way, na? So all these walls should be aligned together. All these walls should be aligned together.
Yes, sir.
Work on this alignment. See, everywhere that's the problem. See?
Yes, sir. So the thickness of it.
वही तो गेम है बेटा. Life is not so easy. ना अभी यहाँ पे भी देख क्या किया है तुमने. ये क्या किया है यहाँ पे. जूम इन करके देख क्या है. क्या किया है ये जो तू कर रहा है. दैट इज अ डिफरेंट फंडा ऑलटुगेदर. और ही किया है. It's totally wrong. Yeah. Okay, it's very easy. Just keep it simple for yourself. Just finish with this. और अगर
Yes, sir.
आपको वेदर प्रोटेक्शन कुछ करने हैं तो डिजाइन इंटरेस्टिंग वेदर प्रोटेक्शन.
हाँ.
मम्मी खाना खाने बुला रही है.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm remaining.
Yeah, we are discussing now. We have a time till 12:45.
Okay.
मेरी मम्मी नहीं खाना खाने बुला रही है कॉलेज में. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस. किचन के लिए भी आइडेंटिफाई आपने जो किया है ना, इट्स अ डिफरेंट फंडा. मैं बाद में बताता हूँ आपको. जस्ट रिमेंबर
sir.
दैट यू हैव टू आस्क मी दिस, बट व्हाटएवर यू हैव ड्रॉन इज टोटली रॉन्ग. Okay, so make sure all the habitable spaces, excluding toilet, should have minimum 5 feet opening.
Yes, sir.
Okay, toilet should have minimum 450 wide opening. ठीक है.
Okay,
कॉलम
sir.
ठीक है. और इसी भी अलाइनमेंट थोड़ा सा इश्यूज है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू rather than shifting the columns and center line, shift the walls.
Yes, sir.
डायरेक्टली वॉल्स को शिफ्ट करोगे तो पूरा का पूरा बालकनी का सेट उठा। मिनिमम बालकनी शुड हैव मिनिमम 3 फीट विड्थ, वरना सिर्फ आप
Yes,
एक
sir.
वॉल शिफ्ट करोगे तो ये 450 की हो जाएगी अदरवाइज। ओके, सो शिफ्ट दी होल सेट टुगेदर।
Yes, sir. Yes.
ओके, एंड चेक द
Okay,
इंटरनल
sir.
वॉल थिकनेस, जहाँ पे 150 115 रिक्वायर्ड है वहाँ पे 230 आपने दिया है कि नहीं, जस्ट चेक दैट, अदरवाइज वो मिस्टेक।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, थोड़ा जूम आउट करो, लेट्स क्रॉस चेक दैट डायरेक्टली इफ देयर इज एन एरर। लग तो नहीं रहा अभी फिलहाल मुझे इन द फर्स्ट गो, कहाँ पे भी यह स्मार्टली वर्कड आउट मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स। ओके, शाफ्ट और अभी जो जो चीजें हम लोगों ने डिस्कस की है
Yes, sir.
वो सारे वर्कआउट करोगे। यू डोंट
Yes, sir.
रिक्वायर्ड वॉल्स ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर।
So, jali wall type of.
नहीं ना, फिर आप जाली लोगे तो आप शाफ्ट में रिपेयरिंग के लिए कैसे आ पाओगे? यू डोंट
Yes, sir.
रिक्वायर्ड इट, यू जस्ट हैव दिस। जैसे आपने ये लाइन ड्रॉ की है ना अभी पार्किंग के लिए जो 150 रेज्ड है, तो सिमिलर लाइन यू ड्रॉ इट हियर।
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this level will be 0. This level
Yes.
will be your whatever plus 1 से, और आप यहाँ पे और एक स्टेप ऐड करोगे तो this level will be
300.
okay. That is
Yes,
somehow
sir.
rough calculations we go for. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Who else is remaining? Thanks. Yeah.
Sir
Thank you,
Gaurav.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir Ritwik.
Start
सर
sharing.
आइए।
Share screen. कोई तो एक तो share करो. Zoom into a lobby, please.
दिस इज द लॉबी।
Okay, fair enough. I think only the wall thickness was 230 mm thick external. 30 mm thick external. You have 115.
So this one all
115. Yeah, the new walls. New walls.
सर इसके ये शाफ्ट सर इसके ऊपर का 115, तो सर इसको 230 रख सकते हैं क्योंकि ये शाफ्ट टोटल
करना ही पड़ेगा ना वो, 30 करना ही पड़ेगा ना वो।
ओके सर।
So the whole thing will be 230.
ओके सर।
So if you want to terminate your you can. Okay. Lobby का
ओके
go to a typical floor plan. इसको क्यों आ रहा है रे? मेरे ही आवाज।
Ground floor and ये lobby है यहाँ पे।
Okay, ठीक है। From where do you enter into lobby?
सर यहाँ से, ये दो साइड से।
Okay, आप पार्किंग से एंट्री क्यों कर रहे हैं? आप सामने से क्यों एंट्री नहीं कर रहे?
फिर यहाँ से चलेगा सर।
वहां से करना पड़ेगा ना आपको। Not everyone is having a vehicle ना।
Yes sir.
जनरल एंट्री चाहते हैं तो that is how it needs to be worked out. ठीक है, इसको वर्कआउट करो। Go to a typical floor plan.
सर ये वाला जो वॉल है ना टॉयलेट का, ये वाला
हाँ,
सर यहाँ पे कॉलम देना पड़ेगा ये वॉल को, या फिर ये सेकेंडरी बीम पे रह सकता है ये दो के?
कौन से टॉयलेट के हाथ पे देना पड़ेगा? वो सेकेंडरी पिन पे
सर
हो जाएगा ना।
हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ।
हाँ सर उतना ही डाउट था।
हाँ,
और
बाकी तो स्पैन तेरे मैनेजेबल है। से अभी वेट ऊपर किधर गया तुमने? लॉबी या सो अभी लॉबी का जो स्पैन है ना उसका बीम नेटवर्क देख ले कैसा है, उसको वर्कआउट।
यस सर। यस सर।
यहाँ से यहाँ तक गई है, ये बीम यहाँ से यहाँ तक गई, ये बीम नेटवर्क यहाँ पे गई। नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अभी जो आपने यहाँ पे वॉल बनाया है ना, दोज वॉल्स विल नॉट बी देयर। आपका जो लैंडिंग है इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द लिफ्ट लॉबी बिकॉज।
Yes sir. And sir
so you will have a beam, you will have a beam directly going from this to this, Then there is a
Yes, sir.
here. So इस तरीके से आपका ये अलाइन हो जाना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. एंड सर ये शाफ्ट का ये 2 कॉलम यहाँ पे कॉर्नर पे देने पड़ेंगे कि यहाँ पे
नहीं नहीं,
चलेंगे?
the shaft will have a cantilever beams. सिर्फ ये जो डेप्थ है ना तेरा अंदर का, that should be 900.
हाँ, यस सर.
ये बहुत कम है. This depth should be at least 900. 750 to
यस
900.
सर.
ठीक है.
ओके. हाँ.
That
एंड सर
बड़ा करना पड़ेगा और कुछ नहीं वहाँ पे.
यस सर. और ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे शाफ्ट नहीं ना देना पड़ेगा?
नहीं, you
दिखाना नहीं
remove the
नहीं
shaft. Yeah, you remove the shaft. But then this
यस सर.
outline will be this.
हाँ.
You can't allow cars to enter like this.
यस सर.
क्यों? क्योंकि पाइप्स नीचे तक आए हैं आपके.
हाँ. हाँ.
जो भी सॉइल वेस्ट पाइप है, ड्रेन पाइप है, वाटर सप्लाई पाइप है, वेंट पाइप है, वो सारे ग्राउंड लेवल तक आने वाले हैं आपके. Hence you can't allow the vehicles to enter like this in this direction. That is not possible.
यस सर.
Remember this. This is very important क्योंकि हम लोग सर्विसेज, कंस्ट्रक्शन, ड्राइंग प्रिपरेशन सबको एक एट अ टाइम अभी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. ठीक है. सो
Yes,
ओनली द
sir.
करेक्शंस आई थिंक एट दिस राइट बॉटम वाले शाफ्ट के लेवल. कॉलम प्लेसमेंट.
यस सर.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. थैंक्स. Who's there?
Sir Durva.
Yeah, do. Ground floor.
Yes.
First ground floor. Not typical one. ठीक है. The lobby is fine. Lobby is fine. Go to a typical floor plan. Slabs and balcony. Okay, that's fine. Oh, the only concern which I have now is this. You could easily have that particular wall shifted here. समझा ना क्या किया मैंने? हुआ?
नहीं
अरे
नहीं.
ये येलो में वॉल ड्रॉ किया ना, ये ग्रीन वॉल.
हाँ.
So you don't have to cast a RCC slab here. Why to waste na that slab? Otherwise, what is the आपका entry
सर
भी
वो
वैसे भी
बाजू
यहाँ
में रहते हैं ना लिफ्ट के, वो मतलब वायरिंग वायरिंग उसके लिए रखा था.
तो हम लोगों ने last time जब discuss किए थे layouts, that time I have told you that the ED and FD, that is electrical duct and fire duct or shaft,
हाँ.
will be only be considered for the mid rise or the high rise. You guys are not designing building which is taller than 24 meter, which is considered to be a low rise. तो उसमें ये कुछ नहीं आता.
Okay sir.
Okay, so you can easily use that as a for your light and ventilation. So this will
Okay.
easily be considered as light and
हाँ. Okay.
ठीक है. Otherwise, rest of the things are okay in the typical floor plan. Durva, the balcony need to be reworked. अभी जो डिस्कशन किए वो सारे हिसाब से balcony थोड़ा सा rework करना पड़ेगा. In terms of its representation, I'm not saying the location of the balcony. In terms of representation. अभी कोमल के केस में क्या करेक्ट किया समझा ना? तेरे केस में भी वो सेम करेक्ट.
सर कैन यू शेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग बिकॉज मेरा बीच बीच में बहुत नेटवर्क जा रहा था इसलिए कुछ
No, yeah, I have a recording. I'll upload.
या सर कैन आई स्टॉप शेयर?
Yeah, thanks.
थैंक यू.
Who's there? Muskan? Okay. Can you switch off the line rate, Muskan? Muskan, you are mute, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So create a lobby. Right now there is no lobby.
Mm.
So what will be the lobby in this? Will it be this as a lobby? Are you considering this as a lobby?
Yes, sir. This is loud.
Yeah. I think when you are creating, identifying the plinth line है ना, आप ground level का जो plinth line identify कर रहे हैं, आपने ऊपर की building line ही ले ली है, typical वाली, because वो lines नहीं आएंगे आपके case में this all the shaft and balcony will be gone, ना, this line will be
Yes,
straight.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think unnecessary, otherwise you are increasing the plinth area. That should not be the case.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So work on it. Okay. Levels लिखो, parking डालो. Okay. All those. Show me a typical floor plan. Zoom in. Yeah. Zoom in a little bit. I want to check the column list. Okay. So feedback remains the same for you also. बाहर सारी जगह पे वेंटिलेशन निकालो, ओपनिंग्स निकालो शाफ्ट में ओपनिंग कहाँ पे आने वाले हैं वो लिफ्ट के यहाँ पे आपको सोचना पड़ेगा ये मेंबर आरसीसी में है, सो दैट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई। ओके, अभी आपने फिलहाल उसको वॉल में ही रखा है, वॉल के लेयर में ही है। ऑल्सो आई थिंक दिस लॉबी इज टू एक्सटेंसिव, you can simply align your wall here so that you don't have to construct this much of slab. Otherwise it is of no use basically. Try to have such a extensive slab na, almost twice of the existing lobby areas, so you don't require
Yes.
it. आपको थोड़ा लाइन वेट पे काम करना पड़ेगा मुस्कान, आपको इतना कैड पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा।
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करो, ये ओवरनाइट आने वाली चीज नहीं है क्योंकि, तो उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा उस पे काम करना पड़ेगा। आई कैन सी दैट यू आर ड्राफ्टिंग एवरीथिंग इन वॉल लेयर ओनली, देयर इज नो अदर लेयर प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज सेंटर लाइन को भी लाइन वेट गया। जिसको क्लास में थोड़ा सा कैड आता है उसका हेल्प लो, चलेगा, प्रॉब्लम नहीं। आई कांट टीच यू कैड बिकॉज अदरवाइज टाइम ही नहीं मिलेगा अपने को करने का। ओके, तो डू दिस करेक्शन। अदर इंटरनल वॉल्स है वो भी ग्रीन वाले लाइन लेयर में ही आना चाहिए। इट्स अ वॉल प्लेन व्हिच इज कट। ओके, सो डू दिस करेक्शन, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
ओके, यू हैव एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
ओके, कूल, ठीक है, चलो।
Sir.
या रुकिए।
Yeah. Sir, is it visible?
यस, सुनिए, ग्राउंड फ्लोर
Yeah.
चालू है अभी काम उस पर?
Yeah, उस अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ।
ओके, ठीक है, लॉबी को आइडेंटिफाई करो कितना है। द लिफ्ट सीम्स टू हैव अ वेरी ऑड शेप, डाउन वेटर का लिफ्ट लग रहा है। आई थिंक यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द प्रॉपर साइज फॉर द लिफ्ट। ओके,
Yes,
ये
sir.
अभी फिलहाल बहुत ये है। कन्वर्ट दिस वाइट आउटलाइन इनटू shear wall, इट्स अ आरसीसी का लेयर, इसको आरसीसी में कन्वर्ट करो।
Okay. Okay, sir.
अभी भी मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि इसमें शाफ्ट क्या है। ये राइट वाला जो किचन है, राइट वाला जो किचन, इसमें वेट वेट, ये क्या है?
सर वो बाथरूम टाइप।
बाथरूम टाइप मतलब अभी ये बेडरूम के लिए अटैच टॉयलेट ये है ना, इसको है कि इसको है? कौन से बेडरूम को अटैच टॉयलेट है?
सर दिस वन।
Which one? This one, na?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Okay. So what is this? Is a balcony you are saying? Dry balcony for kitchen,
Yeah.
right? Na? If I'm not wrong. Then why can't you
Yeah.
have a French windows there for kitchen? Why you need a door there? The French window will also provide the ventilation.
Yes, sir.
Then what is this space?
Which one?
अभी मैंने question
सर
mark
वो
डाला।
स्टोर वो एम्प्टी स्पेस था स्टोरेज का.
So why can't that be your dry balcony?
Okay.
So that this space will become a shop automatically. Because you
Okay.
are अभी देख अभी किचन को वेंटिलेशन कहाँ से तेरे केस में
हाँ. Yes, sir.
समझा तू तेरे केस में अभी इसको वेंटिलेशन ही नहीं है ना तो दिस इज द ओनली प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल गेट दी वेंटिलेशन तो अभी ये जो तू स्टोर बोल रही है वो स्टोर बेसिकली तुझे कन्वर्ट करने पड़ेंगे लाइट शाफ्ट
Okay.
मतलब यहाँ पे स्लैब नहीं रहेगा अभी मैं जो भी येलो में ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ ना दैट विल बी ओनली अ पैरापिट हो सो दैट वो ऊपर से भी स्काईलाइट या कुछ तो डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा सो दैट दिस पैसेज स्टार्ट गेटिंग अ लाइट
Okay.
समझा मैं इसको जानबूझ के लाइट वेल में कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज देन दिस पैसेज विल गेट अ लाइट और अननेसेसरी आप उसका एरियाज बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं हैविंग अ लग्जरी ऑफ दिस साइज लोग तो इसको एनक्रोच करके लिविंग रूम में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे अपने आप पूजा
Okay.
रूम में
Okay.
कन्वर्ट कर देंगे प्रेयर स्पेस में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे इट इज अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ अ एरिया व्हिच कुड बी कंसिडर एज अ हैबिटेबल स्पेस उसकी जरूरत नहीं है then this wall thickness for a balcony will be 230 check the depth of the all the shaft minimum
Yes,
750
sir.
होना चाहिए right?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है थोड़ा सा काम करो ये ड्राइंग है ना मेरे लिए बहुत क्लियर नहीं होती थी
हाँ. Yes,
अभी
sir.
भी थोड़ा सा रिवर्क करो अननेसेसरी देख अभी यहाँ पे डबल वॉल होगी
हाँ. Yes, sir. अभी बाकी कंप्लीट करना.
करो अभी कितना टाइम लेके दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ फेवरेबल सिचुएशन ऑफसेट देख कितना छोटा है rather than this I can simply have all the wall plumb ना
Yes.
क्या इतना छोटे छोटे ऑफसेट से तुझे क्या मिलने वाला है it will become a problem in construction how are you going to cast the beam and slab which is having just such a small offset the casting become a issue casting of a slab and casting of a beam become an issue in such a small offset because
Okay.
ओके
Okay,
थोड़ा
sir.
सा मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ये टॉयलेट वाले जो पोर्शन है ना ये पोर्शन रिजॉल्व करो अगर वो अननेसेसरी
Okay,
है सिंपली कन्वर्ट देम इनटू अ शाफ्ट और अ लाइट विल समथिंग ऑफ दिस सॉर्ट एक बार डिस्कस
Okay,
करो
sir.
ये चेंजेस करके आज ही मुझे लेआउट वापस से भेजो टिपिकल का थोड़ा सा रिजॉल्व करो इसको बैठ के रात को 8 बजे तक भेज दो मुझे वो लेआउट करेक्ट करके
Okay,
अदरवाइज
sir.
वो थोड़ा सा फिर क्योंकि once I start aligning this wall ना this column will shift ahead ये
हाँ.
कॉलम आगे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा इट विल गेट अलाइन विद द अदर कॉलम
Okay, sir.
ठीक है एनी डाउट्स यू हैव
No, sir.
ओके ठीक है बाकी करेक्शंस सुने ना वो सब करेक्शंस करना प्लीज
Okay.
देयर अदिति यू शोड द वर्क
No, sir. I will share the screen.
या प्लीज आई थिंक you are only remaining
Yes, sir.
you don't have laptop
Sir, I have, but right now it's not working.
ठीक है नो इश्यूज
Yes, sir.
अभी इसमें मुझे because of this line weight I'm not able to understand are the all the wall thicknesses are okay
No, sir. For 230 and 115 are
full
different walls.
yeah so अभी in that scenario ठीक है चलेगा. It's I think it's more or less okay. Okay, you can remove this column. I'll just let you annotate इसका किधर है? Or mobile.
सर ऑन किया.
Yeah. So you can remove this. These two columns. दो टिक आते थे. ठीक है? You can remove these two columns for a staircase. You don't require it because you have column nearby.
ओके सर.
Yeah, rest of the things are okay. Lift को RCC में properly convert करो. Shear wall के level पे you can have ventilation from here. Okay, ये duplicate कर रहा है मेरा हर एक drawing को I guess. आपको भी दो arrows दिख रहे हैं?
नो सर ओनली वन एरो.
अच्छा फिर ठीक है. मुझे सही दिख रहा है ना फिर. As far as that is what it is. Okay, so you will get a ventilation. So you need to have window here.
ओके सर.
Otherwise आपका जो lift lobby है that is not ventilated right now. ठीक है? Can you show me ground floor plan? क्या हुआ? Yeah, this is fair. So how do I enter into the, so from the parking area I will enter, that is not a favorable situation. So in your case, I think you have to consider entering from here.
सर दिस.
Yeah, that could be considered. Then increase the lobby. Increase the lobby. So practically you should increase the lobby to this.
ओके सर.
समझा ना? जो H कॉलम नंबर सेंटर लाइन है ना H, वहां तक आपको एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ ना तो दो रेक्टेंगल्स बन रहे हैं वहां पे. आई एम नॉट श्योर विच रेक्टेंगल इज सीन टू यू. कैन यू ड्रॉ रेक्टेंगल देयर जो मैं अभी लॉबी एक्सटेंड करने बोल रहा हूँ आपको?
सर दिस.
Perfect, exactly. This is what's supposed to be extended. Then that
Yes.
entry is fine. Okay, that's the
सर आई हैड द डाउट. ये
Yeah.
जो यहाँ पे इतना वॉल और कॉलम के बीच में स्पेस हो रहा है वो चलेगा क्या?
No, you reduce it. You just keep it straight ना. सीधा कर इसको. Unnecessary वो प्लिंथ भी क्यों कंस्ट्रक्ट करने की ना? You don't, उस पे भी खर्चा ही होने वाला है ना. So there are few pockets which are like that.
यस सर.
Similarly here. So those pockets could be reduced. ठीक है?
स्ट्रेट लाइन.
हाँ, ये वो स्ट्रेट हो जाएंगे, सारे स्ट्रेट हो, यहाँ पे खत्म हो जाएंगे. So it will be, देख मैं अभी जो ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ मेरी इधर दो दो चीजें हो रही है, रिपीट हो रहा है. So it will be basically straight. The reason is because no vehicle will be able to park. Maybe a two-wheeler or four-wheeler भी नहीं होगा. So why unnecessarily doing it? Constructing it. ये तो वैसे भी लॉबी में जाने वाला है. अभी जो लास्ट वाला था, ये तो वैसे भी सॉल्व हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
So do the corrections and then send me the PDF of this on the WhatsApp. So Rutvija,
Yes.
you and the Aditya have to, I think, send me the ground floor plan again and the typical floor plan. Okay? Aditya, लैपटॉप का क्या सिचुएशन हो गया अभी?
सर मैंने नया लिया है तो वो आज शाम तक नहीं तो कल तक आ जाएगा.
परफेक्ट, गुड, कांग्रेचुलेशन. ठीक है, चल. Any doubt?
नो सर.
Okay. Shreya, Aditi, Rutvija, you guys are there. So any doubt? No, na?
नो सर.
सर जो शाफ्ट होता है उसमें जो मेसनरी वॉल आती है
लिफ्ट के
वो
साथ में मैसनरी वाला